when you talk about blockchain, it's actually an interesting thing. Some people think of it as a Web 3.0. Some people think of it as a different kind of database. But the easy idea behind blockchain is that all systems are built on databases. You need to store data somewhere, right? So if you take an example of a WordPress page, you need to have your blogs stored somewhere. You can store it in, let's say, a Word file, right? So if you write it in Microsoft Word, it's somewhere on the server, and then it shows up when you go in the WordPress website. You can also store it in a database, which is the Web 2.0 way of storing data. So these databases would be Oracle, MySQL, maybe you have heard some of these, but they are basically databases that are on the server itself. Blockchain, however, is another way of storing data, and it's a way of storing data in a decentralized way. So if you remember when I mentioned Microsoft Word files and databases like Oracle, they are stored on a server, right, in a single location. But when you think about blockchain, it's a way of storing data that is stored on every single user's computer. So you don't have a central place of your data, but you store it on every single user's computers, right? So it's a decentralized database. There are many pros and cons for this, and this is not in the scope of this question, but what you need to know about blockchain is that blockchain is a way of storing data in a decentralized way instead of a centralized, traditional way, okay?